Hello student, in the chapter of atomic structure, today we will discuss the topic inside part of the atoms and outside part of the atoms and some important definitions. Firstly, we are discuss atoms. Inside the atoms, dear student, atoms have the two parts. One is inside part of the atom, that is known as nucleus. Inside part, that is nucleus. In nucleus contain proton and neutrons. Nucleus contain proton and neutrons. The outside of the nucleus, here the inside part of the atoms, that is nucleus. The outside of the nucleus is contain electrons. Dear student, there are two parts of the atoms. One is the inside the nucleus and second is outside the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, proton and neutrons, and outside the nucleus, electrons are present. Here given the diagrams. Dear student, when you observe a formula of the elements, you observe that the formula of elements represented the symbols by the symbol by then in this method. For example, sodium 1123. What means 11Na23? Yes, student. For example, here X is represent the symbol of the element. X represent the symbol of element. It means here the symbol of sodium, that is Na. Okay, student. And Z represent atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons. It means here atomic number of sodium, symbol of sodium Na, and atomic number sodium 11. And if someone asks what is the number of proton? 11. What is the number of electron? 11. Because atomic number, proton number and electron number are similar. But student, always remember, atomic number and proton number similar in all conditions. But atomic number, proton number and electron number similar only when atom is on neutral. Neutral means atom do not contain any charge. In this symbol, we observe here sodium don't contain any charge. Sodium do not have any charge. So we say sodium is neutral. So therefore, in this case, we say that number of proton and number of electron are similar. Okay, student. Here atomic number is 11. So we say that number of proton is 11 and electron is also 11 because this atom is neutral. But in case of Na plus 1124, we say that here the atomic number of sodium, not sodium ions, atomic number of sodium ions is 11 and atomic mass is 24. Atomic number is 11, proton number is also 11, but remember that electron number is not equal to 11. Electron number is not equal to 11 because it is a not neutral species. It is not a neutral species because it contains ions, positive ions. So it is not a neutral. When atom is neutral, then we say that number of proton equal to number of electron. But in case of charged species, then number of proton equal to number of atomic number, that is Z, but number of electron is not equal to Z. It is represented by Z minus charge on the species. So for Na plus Look here, for Na plus 1124. Dear student, here atomic number is 11, proton number is 11, but electron number is not 11 because it is a charge species. It contains charge. So for the counting of electrons, first you write atomic number, that is 11, minus charge on species. Here 1 positive charge, so write here 1 plus. So number of electron is 10 electrons. Okay student. But in case of Na 1124, here atomic number 11, proton number 11, electron number is also 11 because it do not contain any charge. So dear student, always remember the calculation of electron in case of species and in case of neutral. Okay, in case of neutral, electron is equal to number of proton, but in case of species, electron equal to Z minus charge on species, or Z is known as also proton, so we write here proton minus charge on species. Okay student. Yes student, now discuss here another symbol, that is A. Here A is represent the mass number. ये represent the mass number. Dear student, mass number is calculated by mass number of neutrons and plus number of protons. The sum of proton and neutrons, the sum of proton and neutrons is known as mass number. Dear student, sum of proton, the total number of proton and neutrons is also known as number of nucleons. So we say that mass number is equal to number of nucleons, that is equal to proton plus neutrons. It means all the mass of the atom consists inside the nucleus, because inside the proton and neutron present inside the nucleus. So we say that the total mass of atom consists in the nucleus. Okay student. Dear student, so we have the formula of the calculations, mass number equal to neutron plus proton. But when in our questions that we discuss the number of, what is the number of neutrons? Dear student, number of neutron equal to, from this formula, number of neutron equal to A minus Z, atomic mass, mass number minus atomic number, or also atomic mass यानी कि mass number minus number of protons. So number of neutrons calculated by mass number minus atomic number, or mass number minus proton number. Okay student. Dear student, always remember mass number is always a whole number. Mass number not a fraction. It is always in whole number. Okay student, because it is the sum of proton plus neutron. Now discuss here the questions. Here are questions given. Dear student, in this question, if number of proton in Al2 minus is equal to 16, then find the number of electron in Al plus. Okay student. Dear student, now solve this question. For the solution of this question, dear student, we observe here number of proton in A double minus equal to 16. Dear student, you know that this is a charge species. So number of electron is equal to number of proton minus charge on this species, that is minus 2. So right here minus 2. So number of electron is 18. Number of electron 18 in the A dual minus. But now calculate number of electron in A plus, because in question ask number of electron in A single plus. So right here A plus, you know that number of proton in A equal to 16. So number of electron equal to 16 minus number of charge species, that is 1. So right here that is 15 electrons. So the solution is 15 electrons present in the A plus. Okay student, if in questions ask number of electron in A dual minus, then you say number of electron in A dual minus 18. But in questions ask number of electron in A plus, so number of electron is 15. Okay student, let's now discuss some important definitions. The first definition is isotopes. What is the isotopes? You study about the isotopes in the previous classes in class 9. Again we discuss about the isotopes. Dear student, they are the atoms of given element which have the same atomic number. An atom which have the same atomic number but different mass number. Isotopes are the atoms which have the same atomic number but different mass number. Dear student, always remember atomic number decide the properties of the element and symbol of the element. Here in definition say that same atomic number means same symbolic formula. Okay, means same properties of the element. Dear student, here carbon symbol of carbon and carbons are given. Here atomic number of carbon 6 and 6, similar atomic number but mass number is 12, 13 and 14. Here carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14 are given. Means here similar element but different mass, or also say same atomic number but different mass. A element which have similar atomic number or same element have the different mass is known as isotopes. Dear student, here oxygen and oxygen. Here the three similar atom of oxygen but they have the different mass, so it known as isotopes of oxygen. Oxygen 16, oxygen 17 and oxygen 18. Yes student, here hydrogen atoms, similar atoms but different mass. The mass is 1, 2, 3. Here the mass number of hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 3. Just always remember that hydrogen first is known as protium hydrogen, hydrogen second known as deuterium hydrogen, and hydrogen which have the 3 mass number is known as tritium hydrogen, and the representation of deuterium hydrogen is capital D and representation of tritium hydrogen by capital T. Okay student, this should in next lectures we will discuss more about the more important definitions of the important definition in chemistry. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.